What's up? My name is Dr. Alex Straley. Let's take a look at your proper squat stance. Hopefully long gone are the days where we're all squatting alike. Feet shoulder width apart, toes forward, and we just look like clones of one another. Now with enough trial and error, you can definitely find the right squat stance for you, or you can try this one quick drill and find out much faster. Our squat stance comes from our hip anatomy. Now there's hips that are introverted or retroverted, which is essentially how the hip is structured. Now you can see this if you get an x-ray. However, a lot of medical insurances won't cover this just so you can find your perfect squat stance. So that leads us to this drill. Now you're gonna get on all fours and you're gonna push yourself back, kind of like you're squatting. Take a look. I'm on all fours. My knees are slightly shoulder width apart, a little bit farther, and I'm just gonna push back. So what you're looking for is A, how far back do you go? Do you have any type of limits or restrictions? And are you butt winking or is your back rounding? We should see a nice neutral curve of the back the whole way. We shouldn't have any hip pain or pinches of that nature. And you should be able to get past parallel. So when we take a closer look and I have a narrow stance here and I go back, my butt winks and it's not very comfortable for me. If I have a very wide stance, I can only get this far and it's pretty uncomfortable. So I find something in the middle, I let my feet relax and I'm able to go all the way back with a neutral spine. From here you can just stand up and that's roughly right there where you should be squatting. Give this drill a try. Let me know in the comments if your results of this drill matches how you've been squatting or is it different.